Alright, so we are here at the Novabus factory well, that's near Deux-Montagnes Ram station, and we got some STM brand new buses. They are not in service yet. The 2026 and 2025 electric buses, LFSE Plus. Here's some buses like 46-072. This one 2025, and the one over there, the one 45 something, 45017. This one has a bike rack, so they bring back the bike racks. That's perfect for the people who have bikes. If you want to check them out, the buses, you can as well take bus number 226 from Deux-Montagnes Ram station, from Deux-Montagnes Ram terminus. Well, bus terminus. XO 226. If you want to go there, you can take this one. So here's another STM bus there. There's 46-062. There's 46-049. All the 2026 STM buses are not painted yet, so I don't know why. Probably they are too fresh. And we even got Vancouver TransLink buses. That's so cool. And some other buses, I have no idea what those buses are. Like, for example, there one is the 2605. I have no idea what those are. What those are belong to, I have no idea, because there's no wrap on the thing. On the bus, there's no wrap. And there's an 2026 STL bus, STL Laval. And there's a Novabus departing. No way. Oh, that's not a Novabus, that's just a truck. That's LFSE Plus 2. Fresh to be painted. You can see there's some parts not painted yet, but this one going to be soon to be painted fully and soon to be in service. 2025 STM buses, I think they are ready to be in service, because 45-001 is already at Legendre. 002 also at Legendre. There is one. That's 46-59 there. And we got some interior view a bit. We can see the interior a bit. I don't know if you can see. There's some seats over there. The doors as well. And there's the back as well. So nice. That's a Yule bus. This bus is going to be used in Yule Airport, Montreal, Trudeau. And there's another Yule bus. That's probably a CNG bus. I have no idea what this is, but by the sittings, I think you can tell that it's RTL. I have no idea what this one is, but probably maybe RTL. This one is STM. Oh wait, no, that's STL, I think. Yeah, that's STL probably. That looks like STL. 2603. There's ST Levis over there. 2026 probably also. There's some more. This one there, I have no idea what this one is. But that's a CNG, I think. No, that's a hybrid. Yeah, that's a hybrid bus. I have no idea what this one is. I don't know this paint. I have no idea what this paint is. I never seen. There's also another TransLink bus over there. And I think that's all. Yeah, so have a good evening, or well, have a good day or have a good evening, depends on where you're watching to this. And well, yeah, have a great day.